Good afternoon. This is John from Two Does Bees and Gardens, and I wanted to do a follow-up on the free education and beekeeping material that I told you guys about a few days ago. The package got here, and it actually came pretty fast, and I was surprised and impressed with the quality of the materials that they sent. Let me show you what we got. The package actually came pretty fast. I just have it here on my dining room table, but let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, my favorite thing, packing peanuts. Okay, I got the packing peanuts out and got the package of material. You can see that's a good sized package of things. This is keep the food world buzzing. This is, I believe, recipe type stuff for honey. We'll open that up here in a minute. And there's these little ones that are more square. Looks like they're almost like have hangers on them. I have to open them up and see what they are. But also inspired by honey. It looks like food. And then we got the biology anatomy of a bee. That's a good size handout, or it's a pollination one. Inside the hive. What do bees do? These are all great handouts. There's great material here. And how is honey made? Some good stuff here. So if you haven't taken advantage of the National Honey Board's opportunity to get these materials, they're actually free. Just pay for shipping and handling. I think was $10, $9.95 or something like that. But looks like this is great material. So there you have it. There's the package from honey.com. If you're interested in getting this same package, you can get it online at honey.com // shop, S-H-O-P. That's honey.com / shop. It's $9.95, and materials are really good. I think there'd be excellent handouts for education materials, or you could find some other purposes for them, like I'm kind of thinking of. Anyway, this has been John from Two Does Bees and Gardens, and we'll look forward to talking to you again soon. Thanks.